Here you have this galvanic series in the form of the table containing all of the types of half cells. I mean, not only metallic, but also gases, redox. Also, we have here values of the standard potential of these half cells. Those half cells here in this table are given in an alphabetical order. So let's see. The first one, we have silver metallic type half cell. If this half cell is an anode, in the structure of this half cell, there is an oxidation reaction, yes? So this reaction proceeds from right to left. So the metallic silver is oxidized to silver cations. While when this half cell is a cathode, yes, this reaction will be proceeded from left to right. So silver cation will be reduced into silver metallic atom. Let's get back to the Daniell cell. Yes, here we have a little bit different configuration of this galvanic cell, of the Daniell cell. I mean, instead of the salt bridge, we have a porous glass thread. It is such a kind of membrane, yes, membrane which prevents these two electrolytes mixing with each other. This membrane is permeable for only one type of ion. In this case, it is permeable for the sulfate anions. Yes, those sulfate anions can move through this membrane, as you will see, from the cathodic electrolyte to anodic one electrolyte. So let's see on this example. Yes, we have two half cells, of course, zinc and copper. Let's see that in this specific example, the circuit here is open. So this galvanic cell now is at open circuit conditions. What does it mean? When the circuit is open, there is no flow of the charge between this external wire. So the energy consuming device is not supplied by an electric energy. There is no flow of electrons from anode to cathode. Also, there is no flow of the sulfate anions from the cathodic electrolyte to anodic electrolyte. In such a conditions, I mean open circuit conditions, both of these reactions, I mean oxidation and reduction, proceeds at the same time and at the same rate on the surfaces of both metals. What does it mean? It means that, for example, concerning zinc half cell, yes, reduction reaction of the zinc cations proceeds at the same time and at the same rate as the oxidation reaction of the zinc atom to zinc cations. So zinc is oxidized to zinc cations, and immediately after that, zinc cations are reduced to the metallic zinc. So at open circuit conditions, there is no change of the metallic zinc mass, and there is no change of the zinc cations concentration. The same situation appears in the structure of the Catholic half cell. There is no change in the mass of the metallic copper, as well there is no change of the concentration of the copper cations, because both of these reactions, I mean oxidation of copper as well as reduction of copper, proceeds at the same time and at the same rate. Okay, so when there is no change of the mass of these electrodes, as well as if there is no change in the concentration of these cations, so there is no flow of the charge between these two electrolytes and between these two metallic bars. In such a conditions, we are saying that the galvanic cell is at open circuit conditions.